How to add logo in Brevo email template. So first, go to your account and then click on campaigns here at the top left. Now once you're here, you can either create a campaign or just open up one of your existing campaigns. Okay, so let's say I'm going to just open up one of my existing campaigns and then click on edit design. Okay, so for example, this is my design and I don't have a logo. So if you want to add a logo, you can just drag this image block here. And then here you can just click on replace. Now here you can just click on upload here and then upload your logo from your device. Or you can just click on create image to create your image. And then you can use stock images here as well. And then GIF images. Okay. Now so let's say I'm going to add a stock image for an example logo. Click on that. And then let's just click on insert. And there you go. Now we have a logo. Okay. So you can just click on save and quit and you're done. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.